Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the third question in exercise 8.1. If sin A is 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So first let's draw a right angle triangle, only then it will be easier for us to calculate those values. And remember they're asking us to find cos A and tan A given sin A. So the angle A cannot be 90 degrees. So I'm drawing a right angled triangle like this where I'm marking A is another vertex not at the right angled position. So let me put this as B and C. Between A and C, you can simply change the position. That's still fine. So now I'm marking the angle B as 90 degree. What is given to us is sine A is equal to 3 by 4. So let's understand the definition of sine A is going to be opposite side by hypotenuse. So if this is going to be A, my opposite side is BC. So BC is 3 and the hypotenuse AC is 4. So that is the data that's given to us. So what is expected for us is we are supposed to calculate the value of cos A and tan A. So the stumbling block for us to calculate that is going to be side AB. So let's apply Pythagoras theorem. So accordingly, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Since we need AB square is AC square minus BC square, which is 4 square minus 3 square, 16 minus 9, which is equal to 7. AB square is 7, which means AB is just root of 7. Now that we have got it, let's mark it here for our reference. So this is root 7. Now what they're asking us to compute is going to be cos A. So cos A is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here the adjacent side is AB. So AB divided by AC. So AB we just computed. It is root 7 divided by AC is going to be equal to 4. So cos A is root 7 by 4. Now let's compute tan A. So tan A is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. So in this case, it is BC divided by AB, which is equal to 3 divided by root 7. So this is tan A value. This is the one place where you don't need to rationalize a irrational number. Leave it like this, then that's more than enough. In the next video, let's see how to solve the fourth question in exercise 8.1. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.